Hey class, today we are going to talk about the distributive property when it comes to numbers. We have been introduced to this prior to today. Basically, the formula that you're seeing here, A bracket B plus C bracket equal AB plus AC. What does that mean? It can be rewritten as A. Basically, the space between A and the bracket implies multiplication. Bracket B plus C, which will equal A. Now, when A and B are side by side together, it basically means A times B plus A times C. Now, you may ask, what does this mean? Well, what it means is basically sometimes in an algebraic relationship, you may use the distributive property to help you solve for an unknown variable. Okay, today the variable could be A, or it could be B, it could be C, and you might be given different information that might require you to work backward or forward using the distributive property. Okay. Now, how does the distributive property come about? How does the distributive property come about? This is how it comes about. It can actually be illustrated using area. As most of you know, if you have a rectangle and the width is A, the length is B, the area of the rectangle will equal A times B, which can be written as AB. If you have another rectangle, a different size rectangle, and the width is also A, but the length is actually C, the area of that rectangle will then be length times width, which will be A times C, again, can be represented as AC. Today, if I put the two rectangles together, will look kind of like this. Here's the width. It's still A on both sides. The length now is B and C side by side. Now we already know A area is AB. The other one area is AC, which means the area for the big rectangle equal AB plus AC. So far, we established that. But at the same time, we can look at it another way, because the combined length of the new rectangle now is really B plus C. If that is the case, we can also write the area of the new rectangle area equal its length, which is its width, which is A, times its width is now B plus C, which will equal, which we can be written as A bracket B plus C. Now these are the same rectangle that we are talking about, which means, because they are the same rectangle we're talking about, they are exactly the same thing, so we can bring two expressions together and we can derive at the conclusion that A times B plus C will equal AB plus AC, and that is the distributive property.